How to animate on click in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on a device and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Now in order to animate on click, here I have already selected two images that I would want to have on this project. Now if you want to have animation on click, simply tap on the picture that you want to appear later on. So as you tap on the picture, you can see different options over here on the bottom. So just swipe it to the left and here you'll be able to see the option of animate. So tap on animate, and as you tap on animate, you can see the option of appear on click. So you can just select any of these animation option. So I'm going to select on the option of breathe over here and then tap on appear on click. So as you do that, you can click the order as well, and then after clicking the order, you can just play the option, and while you click, the animation will appear. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.